Apple just admitted they lost the AI race. How do I know? Because they signed a $1 billion per year deal with Google to integrate Gemini into Siri. Think about what that means. Apple, the company that prides itself on building everything in-house, is essentially outsourcing its AI brain to Google. Here's the technical breakdown. Apple is getting a customized version of Gemini with 1.2 trillion parameters. That's massive. For comparison, GPT-4 was estimated at around 1.7 trillion parameters, and that was considered cutting edge. But here's the catch. Gemini will run on Apple's private cloud servers, so Google can't see or store user data. Apple is trying to have it both ways, Google's AI power with Apple's privacy reputation. Let me compare this to where Apple was 2 years ago. They had their own AI division working on language models, but they lost key talent to Meta, OpenAI, and Anthropic. They fell so far behind that they had no choice but to partner up. Apple reportedly considered OpenAI and Anthropic before choosing Google. Why Google? Because Google offered the best combination of technical capability, infrastructure compatibility, and willingness to run on Apple's private cloud. Starting next year, when you talk to Siri, you're actually talking to Gemini. Siri's original intelligence will still handle some basic functions, but anything complex, summarizing your emails, planning your day, answering nuanced questions, that's all Gemini. This is a massive shift in how Apple's ecosystem works. For years, Apple positioned itself as the privacy-first, vertically integrated company. Now they're dependent on Google for their AI capabilities. I think this deal is temporary. Apple is buying time while they desperately try to build their own competitive AI. But it'll take them at least 3 to 5 years to catch up to where Google and OpenAI are today. In the meantime, Google gets $1 billion a year and gets to say their AI powers the world's most popular voice assistant. That's a massive win for Google's credibility and market position. The real question? Will Apple users care that Siri is secretly Gemini? Probably not, as long as it actually works better. And honestly, it will.